Good evening. Thank you for calling Skyview. This is Amber. How may I assist you today?
Hi ma'am, good morning. I'd like to get a table reservation please.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
I'm Geraldine.
Oh, thank you, Ms. Geraldine. For what date and time would you like to reserve a table?
I'd like a reservation table on Sunday, September 14 at 6 p.m.
Okay, noted. And for how many guests will that be?
For 6 people ma'am.
Great. Do you have any seating preferences, like indoor, outdoor, or near the window?
Oh, I prefer indoors. I really like outdoors but I think it cold room.
Perfect. I've reserved a table for 6 guests under the name Geraldine on September 14 at 6 p.m.
Thank you so much ma'am.
You're welcome. We look forward to serving you. Have a wonderful day.